Have you been experiencing hair breakage, hair thinning, and hair loss? This video is for you. Keep watching up until the final piece. Now, for our first ingredient, we have cloves. Now, cloves can be found in stores that sell spices. And for our second ingredient, we have hibiscus. Now, hibiscus can also be known as zobo leaves. In my country, Nigeria, we call it zobo leaves. Sometimes it is to make tea or drink. And then for our third ingredient, we have black seed. Black seeds can be found in literally almost every kind of herb stores that you find yourself in. And this is what it looks like. It looks like tiny black sand. So you might want to be specific when you are getting your seed so as not to mistake one for the other. So first, our measurement is 1 spoon of each, 1 tablespoon of each. First, I added the black seed, 1 table of black seed. The second, I go in with the hibiscus, and then the third one, I go in with the clove. Now, this three combination is a powerhouse that is going to help your hair in all ramifications. So I go next to wash them because I like washing my herbs because I don't know how long they've been in the market, dust and all. I try as much as I can to reduce the bacteria, right? So that's why I always wash them before I go ahead to use them. Now, when you must have poured in your jar, you go ahead to add your hot water. Now, your hot water should be like up to 300 to 500 ml, and go ahead to leave it to sit for like 1 hour to 3 hours, even overnight. It's going to still do the same work. After it must have sat as long as you want it to, go ahead to strain it and use the water on your hair. In this video, the water is what we'll be using. Remember, in my previous video, I posted how you can make use of your tea leftovers. That is after you must have extracted the water. This, which is still in the sieve, what you are going to use it for. Check my previous video. I'll be leaving the link in the description box so you can see what you use that leftovers to do to produce. Use it to produce a deep conditioner. Go ahead and check out the video. Now, this is my hair. It is quite dry, and this is a way of me bringing back hydration to my hair. Now, while I work on hydrating my hair, I am going to go ahead and explain some of the benefits of these herbs to your hair. Now, for cloves, one of the things that cloves do is that it stimulates hair growth. Cloves improve blood circulation to the scalp, which can wake up dormant hair follicles and boost faster hair growth. It reduces hair loss because of the anti-inflammatory properties that it has, which suits the scalp and hair, helps in reducing hair shedding. Cloves also strengthens your hair strand because they are rich in eugenol, which is a natural compound and antioxidant that strengthens the hair shaft and make it less prone to breakage. Another major benefit of clove is that it fights dandruff and itchy scalp because of the antifungal properties and antimicrobial properties that it contains. Clove can help to treat dandruff and scalp irritation. Another benefit is that it prevents premature graying of hair. Cloves are packed with antioxidants that can help slow down the graying process by combating oxidative stress. Over time, cloves make your hair appear fuller and thicker by nourishing the roots and your scalp. Hibiscus is also a powerhouse for your hair with these benefits like boosting of hair growth because it helps to promote blood circulation the scalp and then also reviving dormant follicles. It also helps prevent hair loss because of the amino acids it contains. Another thing that hibiscus does to the hair is that it helps to condition and moisturize, leaving your hair soft smooth and manageable. It also adds shine and luster to your hair. It thickens your hair from the nourishment it adds from the root of your hair. It also prevents premature graying of hair. Blackseed promotes hair growth because it contains thymoquinone, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that boosts hair follicle strength and encourages faster hair growth. Blackseed also reduces hair fall because it helps to strengthen the hair roots and improve scalp health. Blackseed also fights dandruff and scalp infections. Blackseed also helps to prevent premature graying of hair and also deeply nourishes your scalp. Now, after spraying this combination in my hair, I go on to use my hair growth oil to seal the moisture. And then that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If there is anybody you might want to recommend this video to, go ahead to recommend it. These three ingredients are powerhouses for the health of your hair, and I highly recommend using them to promote your hair growth and then also reduce hair shedding and hair thinning. I will see you in my next video. If you have any questions pertaining any of these herbs, do well to leave in the comment section. And also, guys, do not forget that I love you guys. I will see you in the next one. Ciao.